This video will help you with the installation of Akinari Dashcam Angel in your car. There's a patented mount in the center of the dashcam. It attaches to your windshield with double-sided tape. Clean window with wipe, peel off protective foam, perch mount to the window. We recommend mounting the dashcam behind your rearview mirror so it won't distract the driver or interfere with the road view. Next, you need to install the provided micro SD card into the dashcam. And put the dashcam onto the mount. Use the USB cable and the adapter included in the set to power the device using the cigarette lighter socket in your car. Press the metal button to turn on dashcam Wi-Fi. Select Akinari Wi-Fi in your smartphone settings. Open your pre-installed Akinari app and activate the picture broadcast. Find the ideal camera position by controlling it with your smartphone and the joystick at the back of the dash cam. Set the position by rotating the joystick clockwise. Your Akinari Dashcam Angel is now installed. It's invisible and won't interfere with the road view. But if the cable gets in your way, you can remove it by connecting the device to the vehicle's electrical system with a special cable also included in the set. Each time you start your engine, Dashcam Angel starts protecting you.